What's up, FamBammers? Welcome to another Wintry Wonderland vlog. You guys, this is the first time it's ever happened here in Vegas since I've lived here. And since we've lived here, you guys, it's snowing in Vegas, like legit snowing. My front yard is white. Wow! Look, everyone's going up and seeing the park. Wow. As soon as we pass this happy right here. What the heck?
What's this? Holy crap.
My gosh, you guys, I am not even dressed for this. This is crazy, but I could not resist coming out here. Crazy. Whoa. This is crazy, you guys. What the heck? Look at this. This is literally our local park, like up the street. Holy cow. Boom, Ems, how was it today?
Just a huge fun.
Snow day!
Yeah.
Wow. Would you want to go to the park and see if they have snow, or are you good?
I'm good. It's freezing outside.
Wow.
So cool.
Cool day? Dude.
Yeah, so much snow. That's crazy.
Not
It
only
was like-
good day, you literally just said best school day ever.
All of my life, there was like not a lot of work. I was able to go, like when it first started, it was like in first period. So we had to like do a lot of convincing for her to let us out. Since we had
Oh, I was telling
So she
Mom,
was
like, I
okay,
hope they let him out.
If you do all your work, then you could go. So we got done with our work. We went out and it was just falling.
Totally
down.
falling,
My
huh?
hair was full with snow. Like,
That's cool. And a big snowball fight after school.
yes,
Wow.
Everyone was just throwing snowballs at each other. and
That's
stuff.
so cool.
Oh,
Was the
that's
grass field totally snow?
Yeah.
Like
Well, I
white?
had it
Everything
first
was
period,
snow.
so it wasn't as snowy, but it was
Later
still
in the
pretty
day
snowy.
though, like at lunchtime, it was starting to go, it was around 10, 11 o'clock. It was
It
coming.
was crazy. I didn't go back.
Okay, these guys wanted to jump on the train with the snow. Oh my gosh.
Okay, ready?
This is how you know you're from Vegas.
Whoa! My hair's back.
Oh wow.
Slip.
I told them they have to change their clothes right when they're done.
This is sick.
Come on, plushies.
Homemade plushies.
Oh, don't eat it. Don't eat it.
I'm
Oh.
getting off.
Oh, that's yellow snow.
Get
No,
away.
no, please don't throw it at me.
Whoa! I swatted that.
Ready?
Boom. So Emberlyn's got a little something to show me and
Elijah
Mom.
have been working on it for a couple hours, like ever since you guys left to now.
Oh
Okay.
wow, you guys
Okay.
freezing?
Yes.
It's cold outside.
We made sure to like wash our hands with hot water.
Oh my
Oh
god.
wow.
Okay, you ready?
Okay,
All right,
ready.
let's see.
Let's go.
Ladies first.
Literally kind of disappointing.
That's really disappointing.
Why? It's so cute.
Cool. What is it? Snowman? Oh, snowman. Look
With
at
the
that.
oranges for the eye.
This has
Oh,
been
wow.
2 hours long.
Got it. Let's see how long we last now. Ashlyn was so sweet to make cookies for us tonight. Let's see how these turned out. Bam! Ashlyn's like, it's been 5 minutes.
It felt like 5 minutes.
Dang.
Maybe Dad will like that.
You know what? Dad likes crunchy cookies, so let's just say they're for him. Is there more? Is that all of them?
No, there's still more.
Boom. Emberlyn,
Bippity-bop.
you were just telling us how you had the pacer today. What's the pacer?
That was so funny.
I don't know.
What's the pacer?
Well, at PE, there's a little screen and it says "Run for 1 minute,"
Oh.
and then again like around the big basketball.
So
court.
in the gym?
In the gym. So we run for 1 minute and it goes walk for 1 minute. So we walk, run, walk, mountain climbers or like jumping jacks, squats, stuff like that. And then it's the same thing for 27 laps.
Wow.
So it takes almost like the whole class period.
Shh.
That's a lot of laps.
We need to get a pacer and just say like, clean your room. And then you go do it, and then it's like-
listen.
Brush your teeth.
No, thank you.
Give your husband a massage.
No, thank you.
It'll be like broken.
Rub your husband's toes.
Ew.
Okay.
Wait, what? Are you serious? Oh, you guys, guess what? Tina is going to be coming out with some Tina Reacts. Comment down below with a thumbs up if you're excited about it. Tina's going to have, what, you and Ashlyn are going to do something coming up?
Yeah, we got some things coming up. We got some plans in the works. And then, yeah, any ideas you guys have, let us know. A lot of it's like
Let
shows
us know.
and movies and Netflix series, things like that. So,
Yeah. And you guys, we've been posting some more on our shorts videos
Yes.
on our extras channel. Go check out those shorts. They're on Instagram and also on our extras, Phillips FamBam extras. Boom. So we got...
Oh, shoot.
Tina's been doing workout on Supernatura, so we got Elijah trying it out.
Oh, man.
Check out.
it's literally so much fun, though. I was telling Elijah, you feel powerful when you're in there because you're knocking, like, things that are flying at you.
Yeah.
You're knocking them out of your way.
That's awesome.
cool.
So Tina does what, like 30 minutes of it?
Yeah, it's killer. Good workout.
So he's not even boxing someone. He's like dodging things and punching things.
Yeah.
Boxing orbs.
Nice.
I want to see Dad. I want you to see it.
Oh.
No, I just want you to see
yeah,
the
I'll see
flag.
it. I'll check it out. So comment down below, you guys. Let us know, what is your current like workout regimen, schedule? What are you doing right now to keep in shape? Comment down below and let us know. Maybe it'll give everyone some ideas.
All right, Danny's ready to go. He's trying this out.
I don't know. Oh, whoa. Got like bats. Wait.
Oh, you have bats? Oh, I was looking for those ones. So you don't even have a box.
Whoa! Hey,
Are you punching?
Wait, why are you jumping?
There's a triangles I have to go through.
No, that's a squat.
The squat. Oh. Wait, wrong one.
Are you punching or are you like using lightsabers?
Wait, I was looking for the bat ones.
Is he using lightsabers?
They're like bats and you hit them.
With like a lightsaber?
Yeah.
Oh, you should do
I think I have them in the wrong hand.
They're... Oh, you...
Oh, I did.
Now he's getting it. He's getting it. Go. He says I'm tired. Are you doing it right? Why are you so low to the ground?